माझ महला तीचा अमृत बाणी गुर की मीठी, गुरमुख विरलै किनै चख डीठी। अंतर परगास महारस पीवै, दर सच्चै शब्द वजावणिया। The ambrosial nectar of Guru's Bani is very sweet. Rare are those Guru-minded people who actually are able to taste it and see it. When such true knowledge shines forth within our inner self, the divine light dawns within, and the supreme essence is found. In the true court, the word of Shabad vibrates. One hears the unstrung music of nature in the God's presence. हाँ वारी जियों वारी गुर चरणी चित लावण्या। सतगुर है अमृत सर साचा, मन नावै मैल चुकावण्या। रहा I am forever sacrificed. My soul is sacrificed to those who focus their consciousness on Guru's lotus feet. The true Guru is the true pool of ambrosial nectar. Bathing in it, the mind is washed and cleansed of all the impurities. Pause. तेरा सच्चे किनै अंत ना पाया, गुर प्रसाद किनै विरलै चित लाया। तुद सा लाहे ना रज्जा कबहूँ, सच्चे नावे की भुख लावण्या। O true Vaheguru, no one has found your limits. They are not known to anyone. They are very rare, those who by Guru's grace focus their consciousness on you. I enjoy the bliss of singing your praises and never get satisfied doing it. You have created a never-ending thirst of your true name in my heart, and it never gets quenched, and I feel like being immersed in your name all the time. एको वेखा अवर ना बिया, गुर प्रसादे अमृत पिया। गुर के शब्द तिखाय निवारी, सहजे सुख समावण्या। I see the one and only and no other. By Guru's grace, I drink in the ambrosial nectar. My thirst is quenched by the word of Guru's Shabad, and I am immersed with intuitive peace in equipoise. रतनु पदारथ पलर त्यागै, मनमुख अंधा दूजै पाए लागै। जो बीजै सोई फल पाए, सुपने सुख ना पावण्या। The self-will manmukhs discard the invaluable gem of true name, considering it worthless. The blind self-will people are attached to the love of dual-mindedness. As they plant, so too they harvest. They never obtain peace even in their dreams. अपनी कृपा करे सोई जन पाए, गुर का शब्द मन वसाए। अन दिन सदा रहे पै अंदर, पै मार परम चुकावण्या। The people who are showered by Vaheguru's grace become worthy of true name through Guru's guidance, implanting Guru's message in their hearts. Those who are blessed with the mercy of Vaheguru, in their mind abides Shabad of Guru. Night and day they remain in the fear of God. They conquer their fears and their doubts are all eliminated. परम चुकाया सदा सुख पाया, गुरु प्रसाद परम पद पाया। अंतर निर्मल निर्मल वाणी, हर गुण सहजे कावड़िया। Guru-minded people find everlasting peace by discarding all their doubts. By Guru's grace, the supreme status is attained by them. Deep within, they become pure and their words become pure as well. Intuitively, they sing the glorious praises of God. सिमृत शास्त्र वेद वखाणे, पर में भूला तात न जाने। बिन सतगुर सेवे सुख न पाए, दुखो दुख कमावणिया। The faithless people recite Simritis, the Shastras and the Vedas and give discourses on these, but they remain deluded by doubt. They do not understand the essence of reality. Without serving the true Guru, they find no peace and they earn only pain and misery. आप करे किस आखे कोई, आखड़ जाइए जे भूला होई। नानक आपे करे कराए, नामे नाम समावणिया। Vaheguru himself is responsible for everything happening and no one else can be asked to explain, as Vaheguru is omniscient. How can anyone complain that Vaheguru has made a mistake? O Nanak, the God himself does and cause things to be done. Chanting the name, we are immersed in the Naam.